Yeah. So you can give the description. Okay. Person responsible, right? For alarm. Okay. Just save. You will get the TR number. Okay. You will get the TR number. Okay. Like this, you can create new TR. Now go to IR01. You can use this person responsible. IR01. 1000. I'm creating new thing. Okay. 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 So if you see, we will get hours. Got it? Alam. Okay. Murali, madam. Okay. So you can use what you want. You can use. This is how to create a person responsible. Simple, not a big
We
thing.
sir, here we can add more people, no?
More people, how, where you will add? If in one screen, you can give only one person responsible. More than one, you cannot enter here. That is your question or some other?
No, sir. For example, person responsible means to carry out the job, the number of the person who will involve, right?
Responsible means he is kind of inspection, whether the work is going.
Or responsible means as a supervisor or
Kind
as
of, yeah, supervisor. He is a supervisor.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Responsible word itself comes into you. You will get the meaning, right? Whether the work is going correctly or not. He is a responsible guy.
Okay, sir. So leader.
Supervisor, leader, anyone, inspector, inspection guy, whether the work is going correctly or not. Okay.
Okay.
That is this one. Okay, that is person responsible. Okay, so this is done. Okay, now the next thing, madam, I am not telling lie. Okay, with respect to PM work center, we won't get any configuration till date. Okay, but even what you told, I'll put some time. I will come back. Okay, I'll come back that later. But here one thing is there. If you want, I will tell. Okay, create default work center. What does this means? Okay, if you keep this category 0005, if you save this, okay, I am keeping this 0005, right? Save this. If I create, okay, this data will come automatically. See here. But don't do this. Don't do this. I'm just showing you. Okay, see here. I'm going IR01. I'm going IR01 0005. Okay, see, it is coming automatically. This is not required. This is very depth. No one will use this. I know, just I'm sharing, but you don't do in the system because many people doesn't know this. That is the reason I'm telling you don't this in the system. Okay, got it right? People doesn't know. That is the reason I'm telling. They won't come in depth on this. Then they'll be picking. Ayo, I entered. How this ALQ is coming? They'll be blinking. Really, I'm telling. You got it right. So don't do this, but I know I'm just sharing. That is the reason I'm telling. Just cross checking if anything is there. Are you to remove this? Otherwise, it will come for everyone. Yeah. That's no issue. Okay, done. It is not coming. Okay, right. So don't use this, but this and all interview they won't ask, but I know I'm just sharing. That's it. Okay, so just for information purpose. Right now we'll dig into equipment. Okay, we are going to see the equipment configuration. Okay, try to little concentrate, not big thing, small thing only, but try to be. Okay, so yeah, master data. Okay, technical object, equipment. Okay, so this is the SPRO path. It is there in our Excel also. Everything is given here. Okay, see here. Okay, new category, where it is coming from. Okay, new category I'll shown here. Okay, so we'll see how to create a new equipment category. Okay, so what is the standard equipment category, guys? Equipment, what is the standard
M.
equipment?
M.
Correct. Madam is always sharp, yeah. Me, all are, we all are waste, all of you, me and all. Okay, so what you do, all one thing, important thing I'm telling, when you are going to do the configuration, standard things you should not touch. Don't play with the standard things. Also, everywhere we are using 1000. Don't touch any configuration with respect to 1000. You are getting my point, because everyone will be using that. So whatever you are playing, everything, don't touch the standard. Okay. Because if you modify anything and if you are not able to revoke, everyone will come and check the standard part. Everyone will come to M only. In M, if you play something, if the guy is expert, he will revoke and bring. But if the people are new to PM, they don't know what is the issue. You are getting my point, what I'm telling, guys. So I will tell wherever standard is there, I will tell. So don't touch it. So M you should not touch. Okay. So go here. Why it is coming small? I don't know. Generally it will come big. Okay, no issues. Okay. So M. Okay. I also won't touch. I'm taking this as reference. Okay. So keep this. Okay. Right. So this is the category M. This is the description you are going to give. Okay. So when we are doing, I am checking this change log. Remember this change log. Where is that? Oh, this is work center. No, close this. Where is equipment? It's a work center. Okay, I'll open my equipment. This two I'll be going many times. Remember, change log and action log, right? This and all. Okay, this action log and display changes. This is coming from here. Okay, change documents. Okay, change documents. Okay, so it should be always tick mark. Okay, so that is this point. Okay, change documents. Okay, and A is whether you need to use alphanumeric. I told you before, equipments can be created as numbers or external also, internal, external. I told you. Whether you remember or not, I don't know, guys. I told equipment can be created with internal, external, two type of number ranges. In the external, you can use alphabets also, numbers plus alphabets combination. I told before.
Yes, yes.
I told.
Yeah, I remember.
So for that, this tick mark is there. Okay. If you give this tick mark, you cannot no alphanumeric. In the means external you cannot use. Okay, that is what this tick mark. So don't keep the tick mark always. Okay. Okay, don't give the tick mark because system standard system should allow alphanumeric. 99.99% equipments will be with numbers. Rare cases alphanumeric external will come, but you should know this button is for that. Okay, and this is change documents. This is workflow. Workflow is a different topic. Okay, that we'll see not now. That we'll see later. Okay, what is this object info? Something is coming. Anyone?
What?
Object info. What is object info?
Nameplate details of the object.
Madam, you?
It's where we can use this plant maintenance.
Even I asked the same 2 weeks before, you guys didn't answer. Again, I only told. Today again, I'm asking, you are not answering. SAP is big, we need to put time. Okay, please spend more time in the system. This is called object info. Okay, this is already discussed. What is the use of this? Everything was discussed. Okay, this object info button will come if you keep your object info in your equipment category. Okay, Alam sir,
Yes, sir.
refreshing, getting refreshed at least.
So it means this display object information. If it will be not checked there, then it will not display.
This button won't come here. That is called this configuration
Oh.
I'm going to do.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Then view profile. You don't know view profile. Through view profile only the tabs are coming. Okay. The tabs are coming through view profile. That we are going to see. We are going to see now. Don't worry. Okay. These tabs are coming from the view profile only. Okay. So I am going to create a new equipment category now. Okay. So yeah. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z all are there. I will delete this V. Okay. I will delete this V. D is deleted, V is deleted. I am going to create new equipment category. Okay. Now my category is V. Okay. Missions. Missions categories missions. Okay. Give the description Alam. Okay. Alam equipment category. Okay. So don't give the tick mark. Give the tick mark mandatory. Change documents we required. Okay. Change standard. Give this object profile. Keep PM. I will tell you what is PM later. Means where it is coming. View profile is MACH. I am keeping as of now. As of now. Okay. So yes. Okay. It is not allowing. V is not there. First, let's save it. Okay. That is what it is not allowing. Now it should allow. Okay. V missions Alam change document PM missions should allow now. Yeah. Okay. So I'm creating new equipment category. Okay. Save this. Equipment category is created. Okay. So what is object info and view profile? What is this object info and view profile, from where it is coming? Okay. Everything is there in the sheet. Okay. See, object info for equipment and function location. Okay. Everything is there. Okay. In the Excel it is there. Okay. You know what is object info. Okay. Through object info we can get the overall how the equipments are in this, means breakdown, notification, reports, etc. Okay. So where it is coming means go back, above, general data, object info keys. Okay. From here only your object info is getting picked. Okay. Go inside standard PM. Okay. From here only your object info is getting pulled there. PM. Okay. So use the same. Okay. Use the same there. This is object info. From here only it is coming there automatically. Okay. This is object info. Okay. This is object. Any questions? What is object info? Anyone? Clear from where, how it is coming? Any questions from anyone? Okay. Object info done. Okay. PM. Okay. Now view profiles. This one MACH. Okay. So that is coming from view profile. Technical object, we know equipment plus function location is called as technical object. Okay. Go inside. So for your equipment, also the function location, tabs are coming from view profiles. Tabs are coming from view profiles. Okay. Go to the Excel. Okay. It is there. I think I kept C here. Tabs for technical object. Okay. Everything is there. Okay. Everything I had shown here. You can go and see also. I'm going to explain you, don't worry. Okay. So see here. Here you can set up as I told for equipment, function location, fleet data. Okay. So equipment and function location tabs are coming from here only. Okay. Right. MACH is there. Okay. Select it. Select it. Go to activity and layout. Go to activity and layouts. Okay. Double click it. See here. Okay. Go to missions. Okay. Missions. Okay. Missions, general, 005, 10 and 15. General data, reference data, manufacturer data. General tab, general tab, general data, reference data, manufacturer data. How these three tabs are coming clear? Anyone have any questions? These numbers are standard. These numbers are standard. Standard numbers SAP global wise. Can I proceed? Okay. Location. Go to location. What all are there? Location data address. 20 and 25. Location data address. Okay. Third one, organization. Account assignment responsibilities. 30, 35. 30, 35. Organization. Structure. Okay. Structuring equipment. Structuring equipment 40, 45. This 4 is common for any equipment, 99.99% any equipment category. This 4 is common. Other than that, additional data, anything can vary. Depends on the business requirement. As we saw, okay, class and attachment of documents. Right, CV01 and we attached it. If you want, you need to see what is the number for this. PRT and warranty. Okay, so class and data, right? See here, additional data, 97 and 122. Class and characteristics and document subscreen. I think linked documents is coming. Let me check it. Okay, and then additional data 110 and 100. 110 is warranty and 100 is partner. Okay, warranty and partner. Okay, PRT is coming. I will tell that later. How it is coming, I will tell that. Other than that, how the tabs are coming. Any doubts here? I'm going to create new category, new profile. Don't worry. Before that, any doubts or question? How it is coming till now? Okay, no questions. Okay, I'm going to create a new category, new view profile. Okay. Okay, I'm going to create new profile. Go back, new profile. Okay, so I'm going to create for equipment. Okay, ALA1. Okay, for Alam. Okay, select the line. Select the line. Go to activity layout. Go to activity and layout. Okay, new entries. You need to give new entries. New entry. Okay, general data, location. This won't change. Okay, organization, structure. Okay, give this tick mark, then only it will be active. Okay, press enter. Okay, so give the tabs. Okay, what is there? You keep this itself. 005, 10 and 15. Okay, 005, 010, 015. Right. Then 2025, 020, 025. Okay, 30, 35, 30 and 35. 030, 035. Structure 40 and 45. 040, 045. This is how to create a new tabs. Again, you can add one more question, one more thing I want to tell. After this 4, it will be as additional data only.
Hmm.
Okay, these names won't come like this. It will be as additional data, but you can rename that. See now, I'm giving additional data. I'm keeping this 110. Okay, what is that? 110 and 100. Okay, 110 and 100. Okay, if I want to rename this, select the line, go to icons and view text. Okay, go to icons and text. Daddy is in meeting, go out. Rupesh, tab. Okay, so for 60 I had given that. Our 60 I had renamed as Rupesh tab. Okay, A1. Any questions, guys? If you want, you can keep icon also here. See here. I will keep some icon. What icon you need? Okay. Okay, I'm keeping this icon. Icon and tab name I'm keeping. Any questions in this view profile creation, guys? Give this tick mark. No questions, I'll proceed. Okay, no questions. Save this. Alarm one I created. Go back. 1 second. Keep this alert. Okay. Keep this alarm. Okay. Go back. Save again. It will be saved, but just save again. Okay. Our alarm one is there for equipment. We created for equipment. Okay. Go back. Go to your equipment category. Don't touch M. Don't touch M. Play with others. Go to D. See, D is empty. D is empty. Put your alarm on now. What we created now. Alarm one. Okay. Save it. D. Save it. Data saved. Now create a equipment for E category. Category D. See here. D category. Okay. C. This is how the tabs are coming, sir and madam. First time it will be like that only. Practice 2 times, then not a big thing. Only thing you are going to attach the numbers, sir. That's all. These numbers are standard numbers. That's all. You don't have to remember anything. Before you create, go to M, like this, take a snapshot. And you create yours and you give your numbers. That's all. Not a big thing. I'm not doing any magic. These numbers are standard numbers. 10, 15, 20, 25. If we have any doubts, we can continue. Otherwise, we can close. Waiting for your doubts. Alam, sir.
So continue.
Okay. Murli sir,
We'll stop here. Man. I need to work
yes,
on
I'm
it.
going to stop only. Even if you tell us, I won't continue. First, you practice this view profile and come. Madam,
Yeah, no doubts.
okay. Practice. Don't think it is a big thing. If you do 2 days, numbers are there. You are going to go and match. That's all. That's all. Nothing you are going to do. Okay. But as I told, don't play anything for M. Keep M as reference. Like me, play with others. Okay. Still, we didn't do the number range. Number range we'll do tomorrow. Okay. It won't create now because for V number range won't be there. I think so. See, number range is not there because I created, but number range is not set up. So that's what I did in D. Okay. So you attach in any other than M. Put your view profile. Put your PM. This one number range you will do. So create a profile and attach other category and planes. If no questions, we'll close for today. If any doubts, you can ask me, guys. Questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Then you guys can drop off. Okay.